Happy Friday, parents. Today is May 14th. We had an amazing day at our Colonial Wax Museum. So please make sure that today you click on the Flipgrid link that we have attached to our Friday email, and you can watch your student and their friends do their wonderful presentations. Thank you so much for working so hard on those at home. They looked fantastic. It's definitely one of my favorite events of the year, so we missed having you in the building. But it is what it is, right? So I can't believe that next week is our last week of school. We have Monday through Wednesday and then a half day on Thursday. Thursday is a half day with an early release at 11:30. So if you have any questions about that, please let me know. On Tuesday next week, on the 18th, is our field day. And so if you signed up to participate in our outdoor activities, we look forward to seeing you. A little normalcy will be fantastic. Aside from that, watch for students' materials coming home. We'll be sending those home periodically throughout next week so that on the last day of school, they don't even have to bring a backpack if they don't want to. It has been a fantastic year. I couldn't have asked for a better group of kiddos to have this year with it being so strange. They kept me on my toes, they kept me laughing, and we have quite a little family in here that we really wish you guys could have seen in person, but I'll surely miss all the kids. I can't wait to have you guys pop in my room next year, and I look forward to meeting you guys in person, hopefully, at some point. Other than that, please just reach out with any questions. This will be my last Friday email or Friday newsletter virtually. I will reach out next week as well. If you have any concerns, questions, anything at all, let me know. Check their Friday folders today. Their data packets will be coming home with their amazing growth from beginning to end of the year with their data. I am so proud of them and everything that they overcame this year with such a funky year, but it was one for the books, and it was definitely memorable. Thanks for everything.